Am I the only one that didn't know Brazil was hiding this gem? Let's explore it together. Brazil isn't just about samba and soccer, it's home to the jaw-dropping Amazon rainforest. Imagine this, endless greenery, exotic wildlife, and ancient rivers. This natural wonder is a living museum, where history and nature collide. Did you know the Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen? That's like the Earth's lungs, and there's more. Hidden within the jungle are secrets of ancient civilizations and mysterious tribes. Picture yourself navigating the Amazon River, the lifeline of this magnificent forest. It's not just a trip, it's a journey back in time. So, history buffs, pack your curiosity. Brazil's Amazon rainforest isn't just a wonder, it's a world waiting to be discovered. Ready to explore? Subscribe for more wonders. See you in the next adventure.